told today that I am bad at giving the context of my stories sometimes. I will just dive in and not share information that the listener needs to know, and they'll be completely lost on what I'm saying. And so, with this video, I would like to share a little bit of context as to why I got into doing these AI videos and my why behind AI. By the end of this video, I'm hoping that you will know my purpose for learning and sharing my AI projects, what my goal is for these videos, and how you can keep up to date or be involved. So I used to think that if you could get enough smart people in the room together, amazing things could happen. An example of this would be Apple. They're a great organization. They've been able to build an incredible brand. I'm working on a MacBook right now, and it's been cool to see their entrepreneurship success and the business stories that come out of that. As a joke, I've included a bad example, the government. There's a lot of smart people in the room, but it's terribly inefficient and could be better. And hopefully there'll be opportunity for that soon with AI improvements and ways that we can add efficiency. So getting enough smart people to work together on the same problem is hard, and finding a good problem to solve is just as hard. With AI, these are two things that we can help. Currently, AI is just a fun thing to try to get it to say inappropriate things, a way to cheat on homework as like a writing tool, research tool, can auto-complete some lines of code. It's cool. You can do some interesting things with it. I think we're seeing it get better, but it's more impactful for people who are technically savvy and can fully take advantage of it right now. With the right tools, AI can help the smart people in the room do more. There's this idea floating around. The idea came from, I think, Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI, how we're not far away from enabling a one-person billion-dollar company. That kind of concept is pretty far-fetched. It would be very impressive for one person to be able to build something that big, but with AI enabling all of the workflows and automating the processes along the way, that starts to seem more feasible. I like to break this down into two phases. Let's help technical people do more, and let's help non-technical people do more. So right now we're getting to the phase where technical people, the developers and coders and people that like playing around on the computer, are able to achieve more through AI. And where I'd like to go is helping people who are less likely to be willing to dive into these complicated UIs and figure things out, do more with AI. I think this can be summed up in this vision statement. Let's help people do more for a better future. Why do I say a better future here? I think AI can unlock a lot of things for society: higher quality of life, economic growth, social and safety impacts, health and wellness advancements, entrepreneurship empowerment, resource efficiency gains, technology breakthroughs. It can do a lot for us. And so that is why I am interested in this space, and that's why I think it's important for us to figure out how we can help people do more. Some of my goals for creating these videos are to help grow my comfort zone and be confident as a thought leader. I've always wanted to get into content creation, but I've been putting that off and focusing more on coding, which has been great. But now I want to put myself out there and get more comfortable in this space. I would like to share my progress and learnings in AI and business and tech and see where that goes and meet more people in the space as well. And finally, I'd love to gain attraction in the AI space for talent and clients and investors, people who want to be involved in a more hands-on way. How can you keep up to date or be involved practically right now? You can send us a message on lambdacurry.dev. That's our agency website. If you're interested in connecting and getting to know more about what we're doing, you can also check out what we're doing with Lambda Curry and Market House. We have LinkedIn pages that we keep up to date. Market House is an e-commerce product that we have built, and it has AI integrated in the onboarding flow if you want to check that out. Follow along with my work on X or LinkedIn. I am trying to post regularly there and keep everything up to date with what I'm working on. And finally, yeah, please leave comments and feedback along the way. I'm an open book and a real person, so I'm happy to connect, happy to have conversations. I would love to meet you. And hopefully this video has added a little bit of context to why I'm doing these videos at all. So yeah, my name's Jake. Let's connect, and I'll talk to you soon.